Hello. Yesterday I made this cool drawing of a plane. I'll show you it later. So when I drew it, I thought of it really carefully. Imagination. So should I show it now? Okay, I will. Right.
Is it easy yet?
No,
What?
just any ordinary.
Well, you're Jordanian. Mama.
And that's it. Thank you.